The PipeCaster Pro spray-in pipe lining system is designed for residential, commercial, and industrial applications and repairs for both interior and exterior piping systems. Our resins can be used as a coating system and/or a structural rehabilitation system. Residential sewer lines must first be made ready before spray coating begins. First, a small but powerful video camera is inserted into the pipes to assess any problems like cracks and root intrusion. We then remove any roots and scale buildup by inserting a high-speed rotary chain cleaner that moves down the pipe, grinding away any obstructions. Remaining debris is washed away through hydrojetting, which uses highly pressurized water to scrub the interior of the pipes. The PipeCaster spray head is then fitted with a correctly sized pipe skid and inserted into the pipes all the way down to the desired endpoint. The sprayer is then pulled back at a controlled speed, coating the interior of the pipe with resin as it goes. A final camera inspection assures that the resulting coating is seamless, flexible, and strong, restoring your pipes for years to come. Spray lining is just one of the many trenchless technologies we offer to repair the waste pipes under your home or building. Contact us today to learn more about our products and how we can assist you in achieving superior results with our innovative trenchless rehabilitation systems.